Hold out my hands and I turn, keeping me warm night and day. Miles and miles of empty space in between them. The terrible picture is called out and hauled out. I knew I gotta do when I need. Now I'm ready to go out, and I think it's too bright light today, so I take my 180 to 600 millimeters with me, and I have in the backpack here I have my 400 millimeters. I hope it will be some cloud later today. They have promised cloud and they have promised fog, but there's no fog just now. So we will see. Now I'm on my way and I have parked here. I can also tell you that I'm a little bit late, and it's no problem with that, because yesterday I was out and put out some food when it was dark, and I can go to my blind without that I can see me, so that's good. You already hear raven, and you can hear common buzzard also, and a lot of small birds here. And as you see here, the sun is going up, the sun is rising, so it will be a nice day, I think. Okay, now we go. Now I'm ready. I have put up everything, and I have microphones outside, and here has already been a lot of magpie, and I can see one common buzzard up in the tree here, and I can also, for the first time this year, see the jay, two of them, so I will photograph them. But first I will have coffee. I just saw a goshawk, and it was hunting by two ravens, and it flies. I think it was a goshawk. I only see very quickly. I was moving my coffee, and yes. And now the goshawk is down. It's eating on the table, so I will photograph it and I will take pictures of it, so I must be quiet, but I will show you movies and pictures. It's a young goshawk and it's so beautiful, and the magpie are not so kind with it, and yes, I must be quiet and I come back.
The sound you hear is from the fan blowing on the window, and I will now show you the environment. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and the sun has risen, and it's so beautiful just now. I will show you. I turn around the camera. Here was a common buzzard that scares away the goshawk, and now for 15 minutes there's nothing, so I suppose that there are sitting an older goshawk or some eagle, could be a golden eagle, but I think it's a white-tailed eagle. Even the small birds disappear, the magpies disappear. But it's good because the common jay has been here, and but they had also gone now. So I think I will take coffee and wait. But the only thing I can see is in the pine tree top, far away, that there is a common buzzard, a white common buzzard. And I hope it will come down, but until then I will take coffee. Goshawk is just outside, and there are common buzzard and eating, and there are common jay, magpie, and so on.
Something is going on. 2 deer are running away and the ravens are worried. Even the goshawk indicates that something is going on and flies away. What is happening?
There comes some golden eagle, and it sits in the pine tree, 10 meters from the food, and I can't photograph because it's hidden by the branches. It takes the common buzzard. I must film. I come back.
I can now hear a white-tailed eagle screaming. The crows are curious, but they keep their distance. The crows and ravens become worried again, and the raven makes a loud noise. It turns out that it's a fox running towards the eagle. The golden eagle raises its neck feathers, and when the fox sees that it's a golden eagle, it breaks off its attack and walks away.
Here we have the golden eagle that was taken on buzzard, common buzzard, and it eats the whole buzzard. You can see it here. It was here for 2 hours and eating. And when it's finished, it flies over there and sit there, and I can take pictures and movies of it. And it was very excited. But now I will go home and I will go to my blind and take my camera bag with me and walk home. It's a little bit early, but there's no birds just now, so something is scaring them, and it's not me. No, I have everything with me. My 180 to 600 millimeters. It was good that I have this with me today, because I have some problems with my 400 millimeters, but I will fix it. And then I must say that this camera bag from PG iTech is very good. I think it's 15 kilos in it, and I don't feel it so. But if you like what you have seen, then please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, because it's so much work to do with one movie, so please give me a thumb up. See you in next movie, I suppose. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you subscribe to my channel.